everyone. This is what's jumping in my pot today, a popular West African dish, jollof rice. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using: tomato paste, thyme, ginger, garlic, smoked paprika, turmeric, bay leaf, salt and black pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper, fresh plum tomatoes, chicken broth, red onion, and rice. Now, this is the first step of making the jollof rice. I have a blender here, and these are what we're going to blend up: Scotch bonnet pepper, the red peppers, the plum tomatoes, the ginger, chop it up into small pieces so you can blend up the garlic, now we're going to blend this up. Now that it's blended up enough, we're going to pour the mixture in this bowl. And we're going to set it to the side. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I have one red onion sliced, and I had one red onion chopped up, which goes in the sauce in the blender, which I did off camera. Now I have some oil here in this Dutch oven, and I'm going to turn it to medium low. And we're going to add the red onions. We're going to let this saute up here for about 2 minutes. Okay, now we can add the tomato paste. We're going to cook the onions and the tomato paste for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we add the blended mixture. The chicken broth, the garlic, the thyme, the bay leaf, salt and pepper, smoked paprika. This can be optional, but that gives it the smoked flavor. And we stir it up, and we let this sauce here simmer for 30 minutes. Let's check the sauce. Yeah, it's starting to cook down enough, so we're ready to add the rice. I'm using Carolina Gold rice, and you can use basmati rice or jasmine rice. We're going to mix this up. Now, this is what we're going to do. we're going to take some aluminum foil. You can take parchment paper also, and we're going to put it over the pot. And then we're going to cover it up. This is to keep the steam in. Now let's check and see how the rice is coming along. Got to fluff it up. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now we're going to cover this up and let it cook again for another 15 to 20 minutes. Here you have it, jollof rice. Enjoy. I'm serving my jollof rice with roasted chicken drumsticks. You can serve yours with whatever meat you choose. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Don't forget to press that like button.